How to become a live streamer in any platform. If you're currently observing the recent trend, you will understand that content creation is gradually transcending from the regular creating of content, posting reels, shorts, and all that. So live streaming, people want to see what is happening. And then if you are also observing and if you have come across streamers, you will know that most streamers make a lot of money. What some streamers make a day, you can't even earn it when creating content. A lot of people make what you are expecting to make a month as a content creator in a day as a live streamer. If you're like me, a few months back, when I see people say they are live streamers, they live stream, I have this anxiety, I have this fear, like, what do you guys do on live stream? What do I need to do to start? What do you even mean by live stream? How do I start? What do I do when I go live? So these are the questions that comes to my mind whenever I hear live streaming, because I don't know how these people are doing it. Like, what do I even do? Like, I just go live, sit like I don't know what to do. So, and I know that a lot of people are currently asking these questions, especially when they hear their friends or loved ones are making money in live streaming. And you know the funny thing, most of these friends don't even want to tell you what they do on live stream. And most of them don't want to open up. They just tell you there's money there, go. You know what? So, well, I'm going to give credit to a friend of mine I met in NYC, because without her, I wouldn't have known what is live streaming. I remember when we went to the camp, she was spending a lot of money. Of course, when I saw her bank account, how did I see it? You know, I just peeped when she was making transfer. My darling, the millions I saw there, I could not explain it. I was like, what do you do? Because I literally came to NYC with at least 20,000 naira to spend for my whole month. I was struggling financially. So, and then ask her, what does she do? She says she's a live streamer. She lives in a duplex all by herself. I say, live streaming? What do you people do on live stream? I remember her word. She just said, nothing, just look pretty. That's what she said. I said, you look pretty and people just give you money? She said, yes, just look pretty. And she didn't say anything more, and we switched the topic. Well, let me not digress too much. So that was what bettered my live streaming journey. I need to tell you that. So now back to how to become a live streamer in any platform. I started live streaming with TikTok. Listen, I took that advice seriously because I was struggling financially. I made sure I looked pretty before going to TikTok live. Listen, I had confidence issue when I started. I was struggling with confidence, like not like physically I don't have confidence, but on live stream I have anxiety, like what do I do? But after meeting her, I just decided to relax, tune into my feminine energy and stay beautiful and smile. I kept showing up daily consistently, and I made sure I was looking beautiful. So let me take the topic from myself to you. Now, the first thing you need when you want to start live streaming in any platform, like my friend said, is to look pretty. When we say look pretty, we're not saying that you should spend money on luxury items, but what we're just saying is look put together, look beautiful. Just like the saying goes that eyes eat before the stomach, right? People have to find you appealing to want to get to know you, to want to get to associate with you, and to tip and gift you, because streamers make money from gifters. So you have to look beautiful. A lot of persons have said, I don't have confidence, I don't know what to do. Listen, most of us do not even have confidence. We just act confident. We have to act, and the more you act being confident, the more you become it. I can tell you that I'm the most beautiful person out there, but I tell you the truth that the kind of earning I command on live stream, even beautiful girls don't even get close to it. So the next thing you must be is try and be confident. If you're saying, I don't know how to do it, I don't know how to, I'm scared, it means you are not even hungry. Because when you are hungry, when you are truly desperate to change your financial position, you must put yourself in the act. You must learn to act confidence. Now learn it. Go live streaming on TikTok, smile, look pretty, be confident, laugh. Besides, nobody is even seeing you. You are just in your room, so they can't do you nothing. So what is there? Sure, you're smiling. And then a lot of people have said, what do I do when I go live? Well, let me tell you, when I started live streaming, I was dancing. And am I the best dancer out there? No, I don't even know how to dance. I don't even know how to dance. But all I knew is that I was moving my body. I was listening to songs. So what I do generally is that I play music. Sometimes I play blues in the background. And I, just swing, look good, dress I love transparent clothes. I love not just transparent, I love sexy clothes. I love short clothes. I love something really sexy. I don't know how to do it, but I love it looking good, So when I dress like that, I dress sexy and I dance and I say, oh my God, people are like, oh, you're so beautiful, you're so beautiful, you're so beautiful, you're so beautiful. And this is how, my darlings, I started making a lot of money on TikTok. My first month on TikTok, I remember I made no less than 1 million naira. Yes, in a week, I was making like 400,000 naira. I'm not joking. Listen. I'm not going to exaggerate what I am not, and I'm not asking you to believe me. I'm being honest with you. There is money on live stream. Guess what? When I started live streaming, my phone was on the ground. I didn't have good television. My television was bad. Almost for 2 years, I couldn't have money to change the television. I was lying on the ground. I didn't have inverter. I didn't have anything. I was using a fairly used chair. And the first money I made off live streaming on TikTok, I was able to do my furniture bed. Let me show you guys. You see that furniture bed? That was from live stream, right? Look at it. This is it. Change this cutting, this designs, everything was from live stream. So you see, I got this furniture bed. I did a brand new chair. Then it was going well. I bought the chair in the living room, bought the furnitures, the curtains and everything. This money was gotten off live stream. It was good. Before my account on TikTok got banned, I already developed confidence from TikTok. Like I said, when you keep showing up, before you know, you embody it. I realized that the more you keep acting something, the more you begin to embody it. Like, I can tell you, I'm the prettiest, I'm charming compared to a lot of people who were fine, but I was confident. I laugh a lot. And I'm also somebody that doesn't take things to heart. How do I explain it? Like, I don't also take my age to heart. Like, I have to drop my age in the wardrobe. Like, oh, you are too old for this. I'm not too old for anything, my guy. I'm not too old for anything. Are you sabi? You understand? I'm not too old for anything. So I don't take things to heart. I don't take life too seriously. So this makes it easier for me. I don't take my problems to heart. Even then, I was battling a lot of stuffs. I can't tell you my life story, but I was going through stuffs, right? I was going through stuff that was enough to break me down, but I was smiling. This smile can never go out of my face. Nothing can steal this joy from me. I have this smile from within. I have happiness from within, not from external result or circumstances. So each time I go live, I'm always happy. And maybe this was also contagious. So what am I saying? When you want to go live, drop your problems somewhere else. Drop your problem one side. Drop your age one side. I'm not too old. I'm 30 something. I am 40. I am 50. Keep those things aside, my darling, and live, breathe. Put on the accessories you can put on. Do the makeup you can do. Be yourself. See me now. I came to YouTube. Look at how my hair is looking. This hair is not even done. But here I am, presenting myself the way I am. Life is not that complicated. So people want to see this original self. Your original self. So I'm not saying be beautiful and be artificial. Be your authentic self. Smile, laugh, greet people when they join your live stream. So when TikTok got my account banned, I have already embodied that confidence. I have already built the confidence that I needed. And then a friend of mine told me about Tango. I started streaming on Tango. From Tango, I discovered Super Life, and now from Super Life, I'm discovering Boozicast, and so on. There are many live streaming apps right now. So on Tango, I took the dancing I was dancing on TikTok to Tango. It was nice. I wear my sexy stuff without fear of ban. Tango became a platform that I can free for you. In fact, fact, if you like nudity, you like exposing your body, you like to be a baddie, you like to do stuffs, that's where you can do it, Tango, because you can, people, that place, they allow it, you know, not too much, but they allow it. You can be sexy without band, but you can't be sexy like that on TikTok. You know what I mean? You can't dress what you want on TikTok. So I was not dressing my sexy clothes on Tango, dancing to music, God, and I was laughing. Guess what? I moved from where on TikTok I was making up to 1 million naira a month. I moved to a new platform because I was banned, and guess what I was making in a month then? It was $25. That's like 30-something thousand naira or 40,000 naira. That was what I was making in a month when I started Tango. And I'm like, God, did you choose to punish me by taking me to this app? I know that a lot of people would have given up, but listen, don't give up, or don't try to give up easily, especially when results are not coming, because sometimes that moment you're about to give up, that time you're about to give up is even the time that God has set for your breakthrough. So my darling, I was streaming consistently on Tango, making 30-40,000 naira a month. I kept being consistent. Whether people were gifting me or not, I would show up, laugh, gist, tease people, joke with them, insult them, do all manner of things, and then I built a community. People started tuning in every day to my stream. They said they like how original I am, how I don't fake. They like how I make them laugh. They like how I laugh. In fact, some people like my armpits. Some people like different things about me. Some people like how natural I look. Some people just pick up one thing about me and they liked. And before you know it, I've gotten up to 27,000 followers. And before you know it, people started gifting. And then now I've made more than 1 million diamonds on Tango, and that's more than how many $1,000? A lot of money. But I don't like talking about my earnings that much, yeah? But what I'm saying is that consistency beats results. So don't say, I cannot do it, I am too old, I don't have confidence. None of us had confidence when we started. I never had. If others had, I never had. I never had when I started, but I built it with consistency. I built it because I desire success, because I know that nobody is coming to save me, and you also know that nobody is coming to save you. So if you are aware that you are your savior, nobody will save you, you've got to do what it takes to get yourself up there. So I was able to swallow everything and kept showing up. And then do not give in to comfort. Sometimes when you're streaming, look at how beautiful my bed is looking, so arranged, you know, calling my attention to sleep on it. Sometimes when you're sleeping, one might will say, they are not even gifting you, go and sleep. No, don't give in to that comfort. Your body likes comfort, your mind likes comfort, but growth doesn't grow in a comfort zone. Whenever I feel sleepy, I go drink water. I continue streaming. I've done a video previously. I tell you the times I live stream. When people are sleeping is when I live stream. You will be shocked. You see, this is during the day. You won't see me on live stream. But once it's from 10 p.m. till 4 a.m., you can imagine that hours. 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning. That is when I stream. Then I sleep from 5 a.m. till 10 a.m. That's when I sleep.